Hi guys, I just wanted to video this because I am doing my headlights on my car and they got that, fogginess, and it just, it affects the quality of the light and stuff. So I got this little kit here, 3M. It's like a little kit. It comes with all the stuff you need to restore your headlights. So I am going to try that out. It said you basically need a drill, some soapy water. This is all the stuff it came with. It came with one glove. I find that kind of different, strange. And yeah, so let's give it a shot. What I already did was put some of that soapy water onto the headlight and cleaned them up with a paper towel, both sides. Now I'm going to take this tape it off so none of the chemicals or whatever gets onto the rest of the car. Alright guys, here I just took the tape and just put it right around the headlights. Easy peasy. Here's the other side. You just do that to both sides. Okay, and then this is, the before. It's like got all those scratches and wear and tear on there. Okay guys, so I actually put another second coating of the tape on because it recommended it. And then it said to go ahead and put this on the end and put on the P500 gold. This is hard. Basically this thing. It says to just go ahead and sand off all this yellowish stuff, and just when you're done, you're going to have like a frosted look to the whole headlight. And you're going to do that to both sides. So I just sanded both of the headlights, and it says to go ahead and wipe off this sand to see if all the yellowing and stuff is gone. So there's that. I wonder if it's supposed to look like that. Hi guys. Okay, so I just did that with the P800 sandpaper. I don't really see any big scratches here, but on this other side, I do see some scratches. So I'm going to take the gold pad again, go over those big scratches. Yeah, alright guys, so I just sanded that off with like that gray pad, and it says to keep it moist, and it looks clearer. So I don't know, I might have to retry it because I still do see some residual haziness. This is the final, well, not the final product, but we took all the tape off. I sanded it as much as I could with all the different sanders. They said it's still going to be hazy. But the final step is to put 2 coats of the clear coat on there. So one packet you'll use for each side to put 1 coat on. And then you let that dry for like 15 minutes. And then you do a second coat. So we're going to see what that looks like. So just kind of work from the top down.
How does that make it crystal clear? You can see the difference between there and there.
Yep, and they said
cool. How the difference, so you can tell here, is perfectly clear. This is how it was before. This was the before, and this is the after. Okay?
Yep.
Yeah. You can totally tell that that wipe is making a complete difference.
Making it look new again.
Yeah. How did this guy's headlights get so dirty? Don't you wonder that?
Headlight looks good, Dan.
Thanks. This is like the final step. Gotta put 2 coats on there.
Sister. Who the fuck do you think Dan is? There's only one Dan around here. Well, her name's Danielle, and I call her Dan for short.
Yeah, everybody does. Okay, we gotta let that dry now.
Okay. There's the second packet we're going to be using. It says quick headlight
Oops,
clear
don't touch it, Abby.
coat.
For recording. Alright guys, so 15 minutes and headlights are pretty dry, so I'm going to go ahead and apply a second coat. Alright everybody, that's the final look. They're all nice and clear again. Okay, this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks, have a great day. Bye.